So first, we're going to activate the yeast and then we're gonna put it here. So I'll have to make the water hotter, not hotter, lukewarm. Okay, that's lukewarm. Okay, that's lukewarm already, and then we will put a bit of water, and then we're gonna put a bit of sugar to activate. The sugar will help to activate the yeast. Then you cover. Okay, so we have the yeast here, the dissolved yeast, and then we're gonna put the So to prepare a grissini, start by taking a lukewarm water from a 280 ml indicated and dissolve the yeast.